Okay, so in this problem, we're going to get some practice rounding. So whenever you round a number to a certain number of decimal places, all you do is you count from the decimal place over and you have the number of decimal places you want to round to. So let's be precise here. Let's maybe zoom in to see this more clearly. If I'm doing 3 decimal places, then 2 is the first, 6 is the second, 7 is the third. Now, whenever you round, you don't just stop there, okay? So what would be wrong, I'm going to write it in red here, what would be wrong is 145.267 and to say, well, look, there's the third decimal place, I'm done. Well, you're not necessarily done, and the reason you're not necessarily done is because the word round means you need to take into consideration the number that comes after the third decimal place, okay? So that is a incorrect solution. What would be correct is to think of the 145.26 and pause for a second and then consider that number in the fourth decimal place spot. So 5, what is 5? Well, it's the number right in the middle, right? Between 0 and 10. And so I have from 5 and up, I choose to round the number before if I'm rounding. So 0.267 would be incorrect. 2.268 would be correct because we're going to round up from that's 5 coming after the 7. So that is the number we care about, 145.267549999, rounded to 3 decimal places. One quick note before we wrap this up. Notice that these numbers didn't even really matter. It was all about that fourth decimal place that comes right after the third one if we're rounding to 3 decimal places.